Right at the top of this video is all about Thermo Burn or Thermo Burn Pro supplements, claiming that there is some sort of a baking soda recipe that was featured by the Today Show or something like that with Dr. endorsements or whatever. Like, I think this is supposed to be Dr. Ania Jastreboff, maybe. And I believe that's who that was they just showed. There's Oprah, and they're going to show other celebrities. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed Thermo Burn Pro capsules, or a baking soda recipe for weight loss. This is scam marketing at its worst and best, I guess. And so don't fall for this sort of thing. I'm going to show you everything I know about this. First off, I got an ad. It led me to this website here. It's a fake Today Show website. You can see it looks like Today Show, today.com, but it's not. Yale doctor reveals the $1 baking soda recipe that helped Oprah drop 43 pounds without injections. That's not true. Oprah did not do a baking soda injection thing or rather baking soda recipe. It's not true at all. And they showed someone there with like a gelatin trick recipe tray. That's also a completely made up device to try to get you to watch a very long video and then defraud you with pills at the very end. That's what's going on with this. I'm not calling Thermo Burn or Thermo Burn Pro supplements a scam. I'm saying they're scam marketing. And when you can't find anything but scam marketing for a product, come to your own conclusion about the bottle of pills. So let's hit play on this right now and see exactly what this is all about. They're going to propose to you that they have a baking soda recipe. They will never reveal that to you. By the end of the video, it's a bottle of pills. The recipe promises a device to get you to watch the entire video. That's all it is. It's a lie. So if you find a baking soda recipe for weight loss somewhere online, doesn't mean it works. It doesn't work. Baking soda will not help you lose weight. It's not a miracle product. Scammers choose common pantry ingredients to try to get you to fall for scams. That's all that's going on here. Let's watch this now.
Screw Ozempic. This $1 baking soda shot that Dr. Ania Jastreboff taught me makes any woman lose 7 pounds per week. Right. She's one of Yale's top obesity specialists, and she revealed the science behind this for the first time in a special episode with Jenna and Shino on the Today Show. And instead of prescribing dangerous injections, crazy diets, or hours on the treadmill, she recommended this 10-second morning ritual. It was what Oprah used to silence the food noise and abandon baggy clothes for good. And you can start as early as tomorrow morning. So, I will get straight to the point. The baking soda trick works to reactivate fat-burning hormones that shut down after 40. The interview where Dr. Ania explains exactly how to mix the ingredients is about to start right now on this page. The order makes all the difference. So pay attention from the very beginning, because this is how you wear a size small.
So we don't need to watch anymore. This video might be an hour or more. And we've already seen basically what it's going to have. It's going to have a lot of Oprah. It's going to have a lot of Dr. Ania Jastreboff. And they never endorsed this. You're going to see deep fake AI representations, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI generated audio. If you thought you saw Oprah talking about this or someone else who's famous, they didn't. It is scammers using AI to make it look like famous people did talk about it. And they never did, ever. And they do this with thousands of different scams, different products, whatever. At the end of this entire video, it'll try to pitch you on Thermo Burn or Thermo Burn Pro 30 capsules dietary supplement is what the product says. And it will ask you if you want to buy 6 bottles, 2 bottles, or 3 bottles. And that will then eventually take you to ClickBank. And it could come with a subscription charge of hundreds of dollars a month. It could come with a money back guarantee that is not eventually honored when you want it to be honored. With lots of different scams out there, people tell me that they were only offered 50% of their money back, which means scammers still get to keep $150 or whatever for just one shipment, which doesn't make any sense. You should get all your money back. So don't believe this sort of thing. The FDA never approved or registered this or anything like that. Thermo Burn Pro, I'm not calling the product a scam. I'm saying there's scam marketing out there, and I want you to stay away from it. I want you to go to see a doctor. If you want to come up with a weight loss plan, that's way better than falling for a textbook online scam. Any other products out there that you see with this marketing about a baking soda recipe, Oprah Winfrey, Dr. Ania Jastreboff, don't believe it. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. Thank you for watching.